Imagine discovering that your brand new high-tech television has a hidden mode, a secret set of controls the manufacturer never wanted you to find. It sounds like something out of a conspiracy movie, but today, we're pulling back the curtain on the deepest, most sensitive settings hidden inside almost every modern TV. It usually starts innocently. You're alone late at night, casually pressing random buttons, perhaps trying to fix a small picture issue. Then, the screen flashes. Normal menus vanish, replaced by a cryptic, technical interface screaming, "Service mode activated." The dark room is suddenly illuminated by the strange, glowing light of the TV, and a sense of suspense builds. You've just entered the manufacturer's restricted area. This secret mode isn't unique to one brand. Whether you own an LG, Samsung, Sony, or Vizio, they all have a backdoor. So what exactly is this clandestine menu? It's often called the service menu, factory menu, or hidden diagnostics. Unlike the user-friendly menus you're familiar with, this interface is raw, technical, and full of dense jargon designed only for trained repair technicians. It's the digital toolkit technicians use to perform complex repairs, software updates, and rigorous quality assurance checks. Within this menu lie options like panel usage hours, advanced color calibration settings, and low-level system diagnostics. As the narrator, let me emphasize, this menu was absolutely never meant for regular consumers. It's a risk zone. So if it's so useful, why do manufacturers go to such lengths to keep it hidden behind complicated remote sequences? The most important reason is protection. These settings control the fundamental hardware operations of your TV. Manufacturers also fear that if you mess with these settings, you could void your warranty instantly, leaving them off the hook for repairs. A single wrong adjustment in the service menu can permanently damage your TV's display panel or render the entire unit useless, resulting in a costly replacement. This menu exists for the engineers and technicians who understand the intricate code running the display hardware at a deep level. Despite the risks, what are the potential high-level benefits if you know exactly what you're doing in this secret mode? One of the most appealing features is the ability to achieve perfect color calibration, surpassing the limited options available in the consumer settings. You can uncover deep performance statistics, monitor internal temperatures, and see detailed reports on signal quality. There are often diagnostic menus for audio and video, allowing technicians to isolate and test specific components for failure. Crucially, you can find hardware information like the specific panel type used in your TV and how many total hours it has been running, data usually locked away. The secret mode isn't completely hidden thanks to the internet. Enthusiasts have shared the cryptic codes needed to access it. A simple search for TV secret codes or service menu codes for your brand will likely yield results, but proceed with extreme caution. Access usually involves a specific, non-obvious combination of buttons on your remote, like pressing mute 5 times, or a sequence of volume and input selections. Keep in mind that the codes are brand-specific, and sometimes model-specific, meaning you need to find the exact sequence for your device. If you find a code, do not rush to try it. Always research what others have done and what risks they encountered first. Now, let's talk about the danger. Because this menu bypasses standard user protection, the consequences of error are severe. Changing one seemingly minor value, like a timing parameter or voltage setting, can instantly brick your TV, turning the screen permanently black. The TV might start displaying severe glitches, weird color inversions, or permanent error messages that you cannot fix without professional help. Many panic and simply unplug the TV, but that often doesn't clear the damaged settings, making the problem worse. The worst outcome is being hit with a permanent error message that essentially says, "Factory settings changed," proving your violation of the warranty terms. I want to share one popular, real-life scenario that illustrates why this menu is so hidden. A curious teenager, bored late one night, found the remote code online and accidentally entered the service menu of their family's new TV. He noticed the TV was secretly running a high-brightness, short lifespan, store/demo mode designed to look good in the showroom. He tried to turn it off, but instead accidentally changed a core display setting, and the screen instantly became distorted, green, and unusable. A technician eventually had to be called, who used the service menu again to correct the setting, highlighting the mode's complexity and necessity. The service mode is a double-edged sword, powerful diagnostic tool, but a risky playground for the uninitiated. So, the question remains, what hidden secrets and settings is your television quietly keeping from you right now? As you watch your screen, remember that just beyond the standard menu lies a restricted zone that holds the key to its deepest performance secrets. The static and glitching sound you hear sometimes is just a reminder of the raw, unstable power that can be unleashed. Some settings were hidden for a reason. Tread carefully, or you might find out why.